So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create or make game pass on Roblox mobile. So first of all, go to this official website of Roblox, click on continue in browser. So make sure you are logged in with your ID. Once you logged in, just click on this create option, and now you have to click on three dots and choose the desktop site mode. So once you choose your desktop mode, it will open the dashboard of creation. So in the experience, it will show you the default experience. Just click on this default experience, and now guys, you have to click on three bar menu option and go to this option, uh, associate items. Now you will see option here, passes. So just click on this passes option, and now you can see the create passes. To create a passes, just click on it to create pass. Now you can easily create a pass. So after a new update, everything has changed. It from its UI to its all the options on each pages. So guys, to create a pass, just click on this update image, upload image, and now just give the name of the game pass and give the description, and then click on this create pass. So let's do that. So suppose it is just for the demo, so I'm gonna upload this orange image, and I'm gonna name it as orange. Now once you done with the image, now you can enter the description of your game pass like it is. Now once you're done with the description, now you can click on create pass. So once your pass has been created, now you have to click on three bar again, and now you have to but before going to three bar guys, we have to click on our pass because it is now set it as off sale. So we have to set it up for the sale. So just click on the game pass and that you have created recently, and just click on menu, and you will see the option sale. So to set up for the sale, click on it and enable this item for sale and enter the price. So I'm gonna giving it 50 robux. So you will get 70% of it, 35 robux, and just click on save changes. So now once you're done with this, now just open the Roblox app. Click on please donate, play this please donate game. Now close this window, go to any empty stand. So I'm gonna choose any empty stand here. Yeah, so I can choose this stand. Hold the stand button, and your basically, so your game passes will be listed here. So yeah, that's how you can, and you can see my username with robux raised is showing at the board, so you can see. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. Till then.